Hello, how are you today? Thank you for open my YouTube channel and thank you for open this video. My name is Sinta. How are you today? Okay, today is a rainy day outside my apartment. I'm thinking to cook the classic chicken nugget. Do you know chicken nugget? Of course you know. And do you know how to eat? Of course you know. Dip. But do you know how to cook? Don't worry, if you don't know, I can teach you now. Are you ready? Let's come to my kitchen. Okay guys, today I will share to you about the classic chicken nugget homemade. This is the main ingredient, chicken. I chop small pieces like this. You can use the bread, white bread or brown bread, but this time I use flour and cornstarch, garlic, pepper and salt, soy sauce, 1 egg for the coating before we fry. Now we put the chicken. We put all the ingredients. Like this. Soya sauce, if you hear the noise come from my rice cooker, because my son will get chicken nugget, the soup and brown rice for his lunch. Okay, and then we try to use the, if you have the blender you can use the blender, but for me I prefer using the processor because it's easy to clean and faster. If you don't have the cornstarch, you can use the tapioca flour. Result like this. So I will take a few spoon. It depends on how many gram the boneless chicken that you mix with another ingredients. I use 150 gram. Make sure all the meat, the chicken meat, have the same quantity of the flour. Okay guys, after we finish rolling like this, the shape, easy, we flip, we pick up from the plastic like this. And then we cut. We try to separate it. We divide it by 3. Left and right. We try to fry. I'm always use a lot paper in my recipe. This is my magic ingredients, and then salt little only. So the coating quite tasty. So I use the crumb I bought in supermarket. Make sure before you flip, you apply the plastic the other side with the flour, so the meat will not stick, the chicken meat, because sometimes after a few minutes touching by air, the liquid will come again. This is very healthy for your kids rather than you buy in supermarket. Because if you doing chicken nugget at home, made it, you know the ingredient was what inside. this is the final result. Look the texture. So we can make homemade classic chicken nugget at home for your son lunchbox or as a snack when he's watching TV or your girl's watching TV.